Hello there, second channel. Mr. SAA here. I just had hiccups, and I cured them, like I usually do. And I decided to share my vast amount of knowledge with you about how to cure hiccups. So, if you have hiccups, don't do all the other methods and all that things like drinking a glass of water and eating sugar. There's lots of different remedies. All I suggest is whenever you feel like you're going to have a hiccup, just swallow. Like you can feel when you're about to hiccup, just swallow, they go away. That's all. That's what I do. Try it for yourself next time you have hiccups. I guarantee you, it may or may not work, but it works for me. That's all for now. Goodbye.